welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a short haul and I'm just doing the intro now and probably follow up tomorrow morning and do the try on. I just do not have the time to do both at once. So first up is one blouse that I got from White House Black Market. This is my favorite store. However, they haven't had any good sales lately at all. I've been waiting forever for their stuff to go on sale, and they finally had like a 30% off sale, and with my 5% off, I got this blouse, and it still was no bargain. It was $60 about. Oh gee, am I noticing there's like a little stain on the back of this already? I'm noticing. So, I just noticed that. It's so slight. All right, I could show you. I don't even think the camera's barely picking it up. Well, I'd probably still keep it with that because I think it would come out and you barely notice it. So it has the poofy sleeves. It's a size 2, okay? Has the wrap tie that I believe goes in the front. I'll try it on, see how it looks. You know, I thought it was kind of a fun blouse, all right? And there's quite a few things from White House Black Market that I want. I just refuse to pay the prices that they want. I'm not spending $90 for one blouse. They at least got to come down to $60, at least. All right, next up, bunch of things from Stitch Fix. They're calling it Freestyle now, all right? So instead of Shop Your Looks, it's Freestyle. So the first thing I got was this Democracy khaki colored skirt. It's kind of like between a khaki and a tan and an olive. I would call it a khaki. And it's by Democracy. It is the Madeleine Skirt. They're calling it in tan, size 0, okay? And I don't have much in the way of tan. And it's like a cargo style, has the raw hem, working back pockets, pork chop front pockets, and yes, these 2 little bottom cargo pockets are functional with little snap closures. Very cute. Hopefully it fits. I'm a little bit worried that it might be pulling in the hips, but we'll see. Okay. $68 for that. Next up is this denim skirt by Just Black, and it is a black skirt, and it has the cute little patch front pockets. I think this is adorable. It snaps around down the front, working snaps down the front, regular pockets in the back. This I paid $48 for. Again, Just Black USA, and this is the washed black denim skirt, and this is an extra small petite. Let me hold these 2 up together. Hopefully this isn't too short being a petite. Yeah, we'll have to see. You can see the tan skirt definitely is longer. Yeah, maybe it would be okay length. I think it might be an okay length. We'll have to see it on. And again, I have the hip issue, so hopefully the buttons don't pull in the hips. All right, so we'll see. And then lastly, my quest for a bright yellow cardigan. And I'll have to see if this goes with the top that I want it to go to. This is by Letty and Me, the Gabby Pointelle detail cardigan, size extra small, okay? It's in a bright yellow, not like fluorescent or anything, just a bright, cheery yellow. It, let's see, it has the Pointelle here down at the bottom. It is, let's hold it up to me. It comes like to my hips. I hope it's long enough for the shirt that I wanted to wear with, and this is a size extra small, like a regular extra small. Very pretty color, like it, and I just have to try it on with my shirt that I wanted to go with. All right, so that is my small haul, and I will try this stuff on when I get a chance. Take care, and I'll see you in a bit. It's the next day, and this is my second time filming this. So the first time I tried my ring light, and it just blew it all out. It was like not even visible. You really couldn't even see good footage. So I decided to refilm it because I couldn't even see whether or not it was good enough to make a decision whether to keep the items. So first up, I have what I was wearing last, now first, is the cardigan. This cardigan, I believe, was 79% rayon and 21% polyester. I tend to like Stitch Fix cardigans because they're affordable, yet they have this kind of crochet detail. That said, I just washed the color block cardigan for the very first time, and I got a hole in it. And I only washed it with sweaters on Delicate. And I pull it out, and there's a giant hole in the back. So if that happens to me again with the cardigan, I think I'm gonna be done. I mean, absolutely done. So I'm not happy about that at all. But this one I do like. I'm gonna take a good look over at it and make sure there's no flaws in it, something that might have cause issues. But let me come close so you can see the ponytail to it, okay? I love this kind of detail. All right, the knitting. I purposely got a bright yellow cardigan because I wanted to wear it with this dark green top that I got from Evereve probably 2 years ago. I really like this top because it's like a fall floral, but it's thin, and because it's thin, I need to wear a cardigan with it, and I tend not to wear this top because I have no cardigan to wear over it to keep me warm. So let me come closer so you can see the yellow in the flowers and how I thought a yellow cardigan would go best with this. It's not as bright as the yellow in the flower, but I do think it works. Let me know your thoughts on this. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep this cardigan because I've been looking for one for quite some time. And I feel this length is also very good on me. You know, long enough to cover the shirt, covers the butt, but not so long that it looks ridiculous on me. I'm only 5'2", so I do have to roll the sleeves. That's typical. This is not a petite, it's a regular extra small. But other than that, I think it fits well, and it's pretty, and it goes with the top that I need. But that's it for this. Give me a minute. I'm going to try on both skirts again for you. Okay, next up is what they're calling a tan skirt, but I would have to disagree because I had a sweater that I tried to pair with this. It's leopard print with a light tan in it, and it clashed. This, to me, is definitely has more of an olive undertone, which I like olive, but I was kind of looking for a tan skirt, if that makes sense. I'm also not so sure of the fit of this. I think the pockets might be pulling just ever so slightly. I'll come close so you can see, and you can help me decide. They're not exactly lying flat. They're pulling a little bit. Same with this side. And just so you know, this is like a cloth material here on the edge of the pocket, so I don't know if it would ever lie perfectly flat because it's not canvas. It is just like cloth. You see, like it just plops out like that. I also don't necessarily think this is the most flattering for my stomach, but I'm going to, again, look back at the footage and decide. You guys let me know what you think of this skirt. I think I'm going to send this back. I'm leaning towards, because it was $68 and it wasn't exactly what I'm looking for. If you're interested in this skirt, the pockets are huge. I mean, my hands disappear and they're big, big, big pockets. So if you're someone who just likes to stick things in your pockets and you want a skirt, this one is definitely for you. It comes, you know, definitely reaches the test. Okay. Nice skirt. I just don't know if I love it enough, especially for $68. All right. It's cute. But like I said, I was kind of looking more for a tan skirt to wear with like tan items, and this does not quite cut it. You know, I had envisioned in my head as to what I wanted to wear with it, and it does not look good with it. So I just put on a basic black sweater, and I also thought the skirt kind of needed a belt. So this is what I put together with it. Let me know your thoughts on the skirt. Am I being overly critical, or do you think I could do better? All right, I do have a ton of clothes. Okay, come a little bit closer, back. All right, I'm gonna put on the black mini skirt with the White House black market top, but I probably wouldn't wear them together in real life because I like to show the button detail of the skirt, and that blouse needs to be like outside of the skirt and not tucked in. But I will put them together just to try them on together. Give me a minute. Okay, now I have on the White House black market top and this adorable little skirt with the patch pockets, which I think might be a little too snug. I am trying to lose weight. I know you think I'm crazy because I'm wearing an extra small petite, but I have clothes that I purchased that are kind of doing the same thing, and I want to continue wearing my clothes. I lost weight and I want to continue being that same size. I don't want to have to size up and buy new clothes because they're all pulling me. I want to be my size, stay my size. All right. The top I really think is cute. It's different, unique. I don't have any kind of poofy thing like this in my wardrobe, and I think I'm going to keep it. One thing I do think, it might be a little bit see-through. I'm going to have to look back at the footage to see how see-through and whether or not I need to wear a cami or something underneath. Here is the back of it. Okay. The skirt, it is pulling a little bit. Let me come and show you so it's come closer. You could see a little bit of the pulling right here. I don't know. I'm not so sure if it's bad enough that I can't keep it and wear it. It's not too tight. Like, it's just, you know, I have enough room here in the waist. It's just the way my hips are that it gives that pulling effect across the hip area. So it's not uncomfortable on me at all. It's just my hips are not, you know, I'm a little bit more courageous than most. All right, let me know your thoughts on this. I'm also up in the air on this. Now, the length is a mini skirt. This is definitely a date night outfit, or me sitting at home by myself, because that's pretty much what I do most of my time. It does pass the fingertip test, so even though it's mini, it is not too mini for me. I'm comfortable with this length, okay? Let me know your thoughts on the skirt and the top and the other skirt. I'm leaning towards keeping this and the yellow sweater, and leaning towards returning the khaki colored skirt, which is really closer to olive. It really has no tan. You know, it says tan, but it's really closer to olive. All right? Thank you again, returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I'm free. I do shopping hauls, try-ons. Give this video a thumbs up. All right? And if you haven't, also click that notification bell so you get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.